beautiful souls, I am Sai and welcome to another vlog. Everyone says start early, stay ahead, but how do you actually do it without burning out? Completing the syllabus early is not about studying all day. It's about knowing where you exactly are and where you need to go next. It's about studying the right way. In this video, I'll show you how I exactly manage that and how I make that happen. So I think without wasting time, let's go. I'm writing down my full syllabus right now. Maths, science, SST, languages, हर subject. और सब जब एक पेज पर आ रहा है तो मुझे clearly दिख रहा है कि कितना completed है और कितना pending है. This list is my base. Like without this, I'm just guessing what's left. क्योंकि मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है कि I just sit for studying and I start thinking what to study. अगर ये list मेरे आँखों के सामने होगी, right in front of my eyes, there will be no need to think about it. Like everything is in front of my eyes, like what's pending, what's completed. I will know where I am right now and what to do next. I am ticking the chapters that I have completed. Like you can see in the green boxes, the boxes which are colored green, that chapters are completed and rest others are incomplete, like they are pending. So that syllabus is not still completed in our school. And as you can see of Hindi, so हिंदी स्कूल के 6 लेसन्स कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं, बट आई हैव ओनली टिक 3 बिकॉज बाकी के 3 चैप्टर्स का सेल्फ स्टडी मैंने नहीं किया है. आई हैव नॉट इवन रेड इट. इट फील्स सो सैटिस्फाइंग बिकॉज my progress is right in front of my eyes and it's also telling me where exactly should I be focusing my energy. It's not like कि अगर मैं अपना सिलेबस अक्टूबर तक कर रही हूँ तो आपको भी अक्टूबर तक ही करना पड़ेगा. No, you can plan it all on your own. Like I prefer completing it by October because मुझे एग्ज़ाम टाइम पे प्रेशर नहीं चाहिए अपने आप पे. I want to be stress free by the exam time, so I've decided to complete it by October. If you are thinking to complete your syllabus early and you don't have plan on the paper or even plan in your mind, you're not going to complete your syllabus at all. You should have a rough plan, at least in your mind. At least it should be written somewhere, so it will make easier for you to do that. If you want like very good marks, so everything need to be planned. I'm dividing the pending chapters into weeks. थोड़ा school syllabus, थोड़ा backlog और थोड़ा revision हर week में mix कर रही हूँ. This way the load is balanced and I'm not overloading myself on one subject. For August, week 1 and week 2 is for unit test syllabus because मेरे August में मतलब 2021-22 इसके बीच में कभी भी unit test start होने वाले 80 marks के papers. So I need to be prepared for that. September, I'm targeting big chapters from math and science in the first 2 weeks and then focusing on SST and languages. October, I'm closing all pending work by mid-month and then moving fully into revision mode. And hopefully by November, I'm only revising and solving papers, no new chapters. ये सब प्लान होने के बाद मुझे यूनिट टेस्ट के लिए पढ़ना था, लेकिन मैं बाहर चली गई थी एंड मुझे वापस आने में बहुत ज़्यादा देर हो गई. तो मैं वापस आई, मैंने खाना खाया और पढ़ाई के लिए टाइम ही नहीं बचा था. तो मुझे स्पीच लर्न करना था 15 अगस्त के लिए, तो मैं वही कर रही हूँ. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी क्लोजिंग माई डे. डू सब्सक्राइब. ओके, गुड नाइट. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.